Hello everybody, what is going on? MysticMaxx, or you can call me Mystic. Right here we have a shiny Magikarp. Should I run to get the sparkles on cam? I'm gonna run. Okay. Boom! Yo, look at them. I'm gonna run again. Yo. Alright. So I could easily catch this, but I'm gonna just use a Great Ball. AR mode. Hang on. I'm in my bathroom because it has the least amount of noise. Alright. Hello, Magikarp. Wait, hang on. I have a good idea. What if I go... Nah, you know what? Screw it. Woo! Boom. Wibble. Wobble. Dumb. Why did I say dumb? I said done. 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 Magikarp was caught. Nice. That is amazing. Shiny Magikarp in Pokemon Go. So, like, first off I got a shiny, then I get, you know, kind of sad because I have a shiny Gyarados already, but it's still good. Yeah, no. So, anyways, guys, that's pretty much going to be it. If you enjoyed, remember to crush the like button, subscribe if you're not already, turn on post notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.